let's talk about some of the physical buttons and accessories that come with your 52 series. So over here on the right side of the panel, you're going to see the input buttons. The blue button is your power button. When it's blue, it means it's on. If it's red, it means it's off. And if it's flashing back and forth, what that means is that you've pressed this button and it's put the board to sleep. You can simply touch the board or press that button to wake it back up. Next to the power button is the home button. Anytime you press that house or home button, it's going to take you from whatever input you're on back to the ViewBoard OS. Next to that is your back button. The back button is for the ViewBoard computer. So if you're on a page and you want to go back, press the back button. Next to that, you'll see a finger with touch on it. This is the touch lock button. So if you want to disable touch on your board, press that to disable and then press it again to restore touch. Next to that, you'll see what looks like a snowflake. The snowflake is the freeze screen button. So if you want to lock whatever's on the board, press the snowflake. Finally, next to that are your volume up and down buttons. When you press these, you'll see the volume bar appear on the bottom. This is also touch. So if you grab this, you can drag the slider for the volume. Now, depending on the model of 52 series you have, you'll have a microphone array here in the middle, or it might be on the top of your board. The styluses magnetize to the front of the board. So you'll see the spots that they go in with little right angles. Your inputs will be on the far left side of the board. You'll see 2 USB ports. This is an active hub. So these ports will connect to whatever device is currently the active input. So if you have a built-in PC, these USB ports will activate on that. If you're on the ViewBoard OS, they will be connected to the ViewBoard OS. Or if you have an external computer connected with the USB cable, these will be active. You'll also see a touch and HDMI cable input. Remember, when you're connecting an external laptop, if you're plugging in HDMI, you also need that USB cable to enable touch. Or if you have a newer device that utilizes USB-C, you can simply plug in the USB-C cable, and that will give you audio, video, and touch, and charging all through one cable. Finally, you'll notice that the board comes with an eraser. The eraser is magnetic and can magnetize to the bottom, or you can put it on the back.